Welcome. You may be a longtime member of the CXps community. You may be new here. I'm excited to reveal what we have in store for 2021. This year, our focus is the business of CX. We've spent time in the last 7 years answering the question, what is client experience? Why should I care about client experience? Now we're really going to lean in as a community on the how. We'll begin this year with a 3-day virtual event this May, 90 minutes a day of peer-to-peer learning and workshops as we tackle and answer 3 questions. How does client experience drive the financial part of our business? This is really the head. What's the rational reason for client experience? Day 2, we're going to focus on the hearts. How do we win the hearts of our people, whether it's leaders, lieutenants, or the front line? How do we get them really engaged and passionate about our clients? And then day 3, we're going to talk about the reductive nature of CX. This isn't one more thing to do. Client experience should be a tool that accelerates your vision, your mission, and execution of your strategy, not one more thing. By the end of these 3 days, you'll walk out with your own personalized client experience charter. Whether you're a leader trying to communicate to your lieutenants, here's how we're going, guys. Here's where we're going. Here's how we're going to get there. Here's why. Or whether you're leading from the middle, trying to get the board excited about a client experience transformation, you'll leave with the tools you need to start or accelerate your transformation. As we go deeper into the year, we'll be driving half-day regional meetups all across the country during these half-day sessions. You'll hear industry trends and what's happening with CX in the industry. You'll hear panelist and case study presentations from your peers who are doing this. And most importantly, you'll spend time in roundtables tackling topics that you care about, of how to drive CX, the different tools, the different techniques, and collaborate with your peers on getting unstuck and accelerating your transformations. Throughout the year, we'll also have our client experience cohorts. These are virtual communities to connect with peers, either topically or on a regularly scheduled basis. And we'll have other virtual knowledge sharing modules where we bring in industry experts, peers, consultants, and other gurus who can bring new and fresh ideas as well as answer your questions. It's a lot in store for 2021. I do hope you'll choose to join us.